All right, so we got an LG washer here. We got her down on the ground and we're fully connected. So what I want to show you how to do, normally you'd press that. So if you're experiencing this with your washer, no power, I'll show you how to fix it. Just do this, remove the cover from the back, okay? And what you're gonna do, you're gonna press and you're good to go. You can use your machine and everything will be fine, okay? Do it again, show you. All right. We'll explain the complete repair. All right, so I'll see you over there.